Progressive Snapshot is a usage-based insurance program that tracks driving habits through an app or device to adjust your car insurance rate. Progressive Snapshot is a usage-based telematics program that tracks your driving habits via a mobile app or plug-in device to customize your rate. By monitoring behaviors like hard braking, acceleration, and late-night driving, it rewards safe drivers with an average annual savings of $231 to $22. However, it carries a risk as about 20% of drivers see their premiums increase. With Progressive Snapshot, you can reach potential savings of $231 6 months, bringing your monthly rate down to $118 per month. These savings are achieved through safe driving behavior, allowing you to save $62 on hard braking, $41 on cornering, $20 on night driving, $54 on follow distance, and $46 on phone usage. Reddit users say Progressive Snapshot uses an app or dongle preferred to track driving for discounts, but it can be inconsistent and sensitive at times, with discounts changing over time. Overall, it's best for safe drivers willing to share driving data for savings. Overall, it can help safe drivers save money, but driving data monitoring may not suit everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.